Google ads do not work for auto shops. Now, that's exactly what I've heard from different businesses across the country who have tried Google ads or tried other ads for themselves, and maybe it didn't work. But this is the same thing as saying paintless dent repair doesn't work. Well, it doesn't work if you don't know how to do it. Going back to Google ads, do Google ads actually work for auto shops? Well, it depends on if you have it set up correctly, if you have the demand in your area. Now, we can check and see your demand very quickly. And chances are good that if you have an auto repair shop, an auto body and collision shop, paintless dent repair, detailing, almost any of those, there's quite a bit of demand in your area. Now, especially for auto repair and auto body, auto repair has major demand almost in every city, every region across the country. Even for smaller cities, auto body is just about up there as well. The other two will be lower demand, but that would be the first key for you to understand is the demand in your area. If there's a demand, then the number way to get in front of that demand would be Google Ads, unless you just have a shop that's been in the area for years and you have thousands of reviews and you can beat everybody out. But here's the thing, guys, with a Google ad, you can beat out someone who has thousands of reviews. You can get to the top of your search in Google Maps and in Google search and really beat out people who have been there for decades. Even if you open up your shop tomorrow, you can get to the top of that search using Google Ads. The key really is understanding one is the demand there. And two is, do you have the proper setup? I've got other videos that show you exactly how to set up Google Ads and go through it. Just because something didn't work for you doesn't mean it doesn't work in general. Look on Google Maps right now, look on Google search right now, type in your specific shop, type in auto body shop near me, auto repair near me, and see what pops up. Chances are good that you're going to see an ad in that area. And what does that mean? It's working. It works for those shops because it got them to the top of that search. And that's exactly what you need to do. You need to be getting on top of that search for your specific customers in order to be found. Hope that helps. And if you need help for your shop, you can click the link below or go to autoshopmarketingpros.com and click on schedule. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.